Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your Peacock streaming account to your smart TV quickly and easily, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Using your smart TV remote, navigate to your TV's App Store or Application Marketplace, which varies by manufacturer such as LG Content Store, Samsung Apps, or Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for Peacock or Peacock TV using the App Store's search function. Select the official Peacock app from the search results. Step 3. Download and install the Peacock app on your smart TV. Wait for the installation process to complete before proceeding. Step 4. Open the Peacock app from your TV's app list or home screen. The app will display a welcome screen with options to sign in or sign up. Step 5. Select Sign In on your TV. The Peacock app will display a unique activation code on your television screen. Step 6. Using your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Open a web browser and navigate to peacocktv.com/TV or the specific activation URL shown on your Step 7. On the activation website, enter the code displayed on your TV screen exactly as shown, then click Continue to proceed with activation. Step 8. Log into your Peacock account with your email and password. Your smart TV will automatically connect to your account and you can start streaming immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel